everyone, what's up? I hope all are doing great today. Welcome back to my channel, The Beauty Bliss. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can apply your false eyelashes correctly with minimum mistakes. So without wasting any time, let's get into this video. So first step is checking length of your lashes. So the length of lashes and lash line should be same. So if you have lashes which is longer than your lash line, you have to trim the ends of the lashes. I'm going to show in this video how you can do that. I'm going to use this lashes from Swiss Beauty, and these are the lashes. So now I'm going to check the length of these lashes. Okay, so how I'm going to do is, I'm going to take these lashes, then I'm going to check like so. And as you can see, the length of lashes is bit longer than my lash line, because when we apply the lashes, we don't start from extreme inner corners of your eyes like this. We usually start from here, just slightly like so. So this is how the length is longer. So I'm going to trim this end, and this is how I'm going to trim. I'm going to take scissors and I'm just going to cut a little bit from the end like so. So now let's see the length of the lashes. As you can see, this is so better, and the reason why we are doing this is for the application process. When you trim the lashes, the application of the lashes becomes really easy. As you guys can see how easily I can apply my lashes on my lash line. So moving on to second step, in this we have to apply eyelash glue onto the lashes. So I'm going to show it right now. I'm going to apply glue directly on the lash line of the lashes. But while applying glue, I'm going to apply more glue on the ends of my lashes so that it will help to stick properly on my lash line. So after applying glue, I'm not going to directly apply this on my lashes. I'm going to wait until glue gets semi-dry, so that while applying it won't be really messy, it won't be more sticky or messy process. So my glue is semi-dry now, so I'm going to apply this lashes on my lash line, and I'm going to start with tilting my face in upward direction, and I'm going to start applying these lashes from the outer corners to the center, and then I'm going to stick eyelashes on my inner corners. As you can see how easily I was able to apply these eyelashes, and this was really easy, simple 3-step process that you have to follow. So I'll quickly apply eyelashes on this eyes as well, and I'm going to show how you can blend your eyelashes with your falsies. Now to blend your actual eyelashes with this falsies, what I'm going to do is, I like to gently press eyelashes and my falsies together like so that it won't be like visible to others that I have my real actual eyelashes over here and then falsies applied on the upper side. It will look all together, and it will give a really nice look to your eyelashes. So this is how applying false lashes is done. I hope you find this really easy and helpful. If you have find helpful, do let me know in the comment section below. Also give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.